In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a connection in Make. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First things first, you'll want to log into Make. Open your browser, head over to the Make site, sign into your account, and make sure you're inside your workspace. Once you're in, the next step is to open the Connections page. Look over in the left-hand navigation menu for the Connections option and click it. This will bring up a list of every app connection you've saved in your account. Now you need to locate the specific connection you want to remove. You can scroll through the list, but if you have a lot of connections saved, it's much faster to use the search bar. For example, you might be looking for something like Gmail, Marketing Account, Airtable, CRM Base, or Notion, Content Database. Once you've found it, click the three dots or the More Options icon right next to that connection. From the drop-down menu that appears, select either Delete Connection or Remove, depending on what your interface shows. A confirmation pop-up will then appear, and you'll need to click Yes, Delete, or Confirm to finalize the removal. Before you move on, it's really important to check which scenarios were using that connection. After you remove it, any automation that relied on it may stop working or start throwing errors. So go ahead and open those affected scenarios. If the automation is still needed, you'll want to replace the deleted connection with a new one. You can do this by creating a fresh connection and then reassigning it in the module settings of each scenario. Once you've made those updates, test everything by running the affected scenarios using the Run Once feature. This ensures your automation still works smoothly after the change. As a best practice, try to periodically review your connection list and clear out any unused or outdated integrations. Keeping your workspace clean saves you from confusion down the line. Also, if you manage multiple clients or projects, double-check that you're deleting the right account. Permissions can get tricky. And always double-check before confirming deletion, since this action can impact multiple scenarios at once. Make does automatically update changes, but it's a good habit to resave any scenarios you modify. And that's it. You have successfully removed a connection in Make. The selected app is no longer linked to your workspace, and any dependent scenarios should now be updated or reconnected as needed. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.